This is the chemical formula for photosynthesis. The reactants are what is being used during the process, and the products are the results of what is produced. During photosynthesis, plants get light energy from the sun and also the environment. Carbon dioxide enters the plant from the atmosphere and goes into the stomata. Then water enters through the roots and is distributed. Finally, oxygen is produced and released into the atmosphere. The chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. The thylakoid contains proteins for the ETC and is the site for ATP production. The stroma contains enzymes for the Calvin cycle. Light energy hits the photosystem and excites the electrons within them. The excited electrons move down the ETC. The energy from electrons power the proton pump, and the protons moving create a proton gradient. The protons flow through ATP synthase. The energy from the protons add phosphate to ADP to form ATP. Water then splits into oxygen and hydrogen to replace the missing electrons. The electrons from the ETC reduce NADP to NADPH. The Calvin cycle occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. The ATP and the NADPH products from the light reaction are used. First, carbon dioxide enters and attaches with rubisco. Rubisco combines carbon molecule ribulose biphosphate. ATP and NADPH are used to make G3P. One glucose molecule is made and the cycle starts again. ATP is then used to make RuBP to start the cycle again. CAM photosynthesis is an adaptation that allows plants to survive in arid environments. Unlike C3 photosynthesis, which occurs during the day, CAM is at night. CAM plants, such as cacti, open their stomata at night to minimize water loss. CAM plants normally take in CO2 and they produce acid. You can find this stored in the vacuoles. During the day, the stomata will remain closed. Overnight, acid turns back to CO2 and they will make glucose like regular photosynthesis.